Hello, today I'm reviewing this modern floor lamp. So when I got this lamp, I actually was thinking about one of the places upstairs where I want to put it right next to my favorite chair. And I absolutely love that this lamp has this nice gold touch. It looks very, very modern, and I think it would fit any space around your home or your office space. One of the things I also want to mention about this lamp, the base is actually very heavy duty, it's very sturdy. It also was super easy to put together. I can also include some footage for you. And here how the installation for this lamp looks like. Step 1, you need to match the threaded ends of the poles in order and twist them together clockwise until snug. Step 2, sit the assembled pole onto the base and tighten by hand so it stands straight and stable. Then we need to build the shade. Slide one hoop into the top sleeve and other into the bottom. Wrap the shade around. Tuck the little clips under the plastic edge, then close the Velcro seam. With step 4, we need to unscrew the fixing ring from the socket, place the shade over the lamp holder, and rethread the ring to lock it in. Hang it tight and don't over-tighten it. And the last step 5, install the included 9-watt 3-color LED bulb. That's it, lightweight, stable base, and ready to go. I think the only little challenge was with the shade, but you also have instruction manual comes with this lamp. So it's actually explained super easy what to do step by step, how you need to assemble. Also, one of the little things I want to mention for you that this lamp does not include the remote, so you kind of need to be aware of that. And what I love about this lamp, it actually comes already with a bulb, and bulb has 3 adjustable color temperature. So all what you need to do is just right here on this button, you can turn it on and off, and you can see now we switch to more warmer mode once again, and now it's more like a cooler mode. And if we can do it once again, now we have our more like cold mode right here. And now we can actually go put it in my favorite place right next to my favorite chair. We can turn off all of the lights, and then we can show it to you the end result. And here I just want to show you the end result. It's actually dark outside. Look how much cool light this lamp gives at night. Let me actually go switch it, and then we can see the warm light. I absolutely love this lamp. It looks really nice. I wish the shade could be a little bit more bigger, but yeah, overall it has a very nice stable base. It looks very good, very modern gold design. Overall, I have been super happy with this lamp. It has a nice stable base. It looks absolutely stunning in our space. And I highly recommend to check this one out. Thanks for watching.